Welcome back to Moto Craze, where we bring you the latest and most detailed reviews from the world of two-wheelers. Today, we're talking about the all-new 2026 Honda PCX, a scooter that's not just practical but also packed with style, smart features, and surprising performance. If you think scooters are only for slow city rides, this one is here to change your mind. The 2026 model of the Honda PCX comes with subtle design updates that make it look sharper and more modern. At the front, you'll find a sleek LED headlight setup that blends well into the aerodynamic front panel. The body lines are smooth and futuristic, giving it a premium feel even while standing still. The rear is compact and well contoured, with updated LED tail lights and an overall sporty vibe that makes the PCX stand out in traffic. The color options for 2026 are also eye-catching, including matte black, pearl white, and a fresh candy red. When it comes to features, Honda has loaded the PCX with everything a modern rider needs. There's a smart key system for keyless start and security, a full digital instrument cluster that displays speed, fuel efficiency, battery voltage, and more. The under-seat storage is spacious enough to hold a full-face helmet, making it a practical choice for daily commutes. There's also a USB charging port in the glove box for charging your phone on the go. The scooter now comes equipped with Honda selectable torque control, enhancing safety during slippery conditions, and a combined braking system for more stable stops. Powering the 2026 Honda PCX is a refined 157cc liquid-cooled engine that produces smooth and responsive power, perfect for both city commuting and light highway use. It offers excellent fuel efficiency, averaging around 45 to 50 kilometers per liter, depending on riding style. The top speed is approximately 110 kilometers per hour, which is more than enough for urban and short intercity travel. In terms of pricing, the expected cost of the 2026 Honda PCX is around Rs. 4.25 to 4.5 lakh, depending on your country or region. It may not be cheap for a scooter, but for what it offers in terms of tech, comfort, and performance, it delivers solid value. That's our full review of the 2026 Honda PCX. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Moto Craze, and let us know in the comments if this is your next ride. See you in the next one.